Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change the caller ID of Android device. Friends, to change the caller ID of Android device, first you have to go on the Google, my friends. Just tap on the Google. Then my friends, if you set up the picture or the logo on your email address, you'll find at the top right corner, my friends. Just tap on over there and you have to tap on manage your Google account. Then you have to tap on personal info. Then you have to tap on the name, my friends. You have to tap on the forward sign. Tap on the name again. And see, my friends, there is the name. If you want, you can change easily, right? You can change it. After changing, you have to tap on the save here. And see, has written, anyone can see this info when they communicate with you or view content you create in Google services, right? So, my friends, this is the caller ID of the Android device. So, my friends, easily you can change now your caller ID on Android device, right? So friends, to change the caller ID on your Android device, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.